Bonjour. Challenge number 2. And today, a little bit of black, a little bit of seriousness because we are going deeper in the process of understanding your closet is your emotional vault. Story. About a week ago or so, I helped a client who really is big in the public eye, and she is more of a colorful girl. And when I was in that closet, suddenly my eye got caught into this black suit, jacket and skirt, sort of middle of the road, not her at all, the fit, But more importantly, so of course, why is this suit here? What is it? Tell me. Oh, she said this suit, oh no, I cannot get rid of. Why? Well, because I wore it to my mom's funeral. Okay? So why are you keeping it here? Well, because every time I look at it, it reminds me of my mom, so it feels like my mom is here with me in my closet. Okay, so needless to tell you, 2 hours later, we obviously agreed upon the fact that such bad memory was not a healthy thing to have in the closet. So it's a whole other topic, but yet it is the topic. It is really the illustration to tell you that it's really all about that. Each piece of clothing is a memory. That's what we're going to talk about all week. It's not just pretty. It was on a hanger. Oh yeah, I bought it, tried it, or maybe not, or I bought it online. This is it. We are doing it because there is an emotional attachment to it. Now, it doesn't have to be as bad as that. Another client, that was a while ago, but it's a good example for now. She wore that dress, beautiful dress, perfect fit, but it was not the fit, the color, or the style that was the issue. The issue is the memory attached to it. Went on a date that she built up to be such an amazing date. Only that date was horrible. In fact, the guy got disrespectful to her at some point. She had to leave the table. It was that bad. But that's the thing, because that dress is a designer dress, really, fairly expensive, and she felt, I'll wear it for another occasion, maybe I'll wear it for another date and not get the lucky date. Okay, so you imagine the emotional thing, the emotional unbalance it is. Oh, I'll keep it, so from a bad memory, I'll transform it into a good memory? Doesn't work that. That dress is a bad memory, stays a bad memory. You know, in movies, when they want a main actor to they want you to understand all the emotions and all the feelings that goes, and it's like a flashback and all the images are flashing and flashing. The moment you put your hand on that hanger, if that's the feeling you have, that is not good feelings, because it doesn't even have to be images. It could just be that feeling, maybe anxiety, anything that's attached that way to that piece of clothing, out. Remember, someone else did it more than you, and you need to clean up. It's time to make the new you. It's time to grow. This quarantine is the perfect time to doing so. Please reflect on it. Put your hand on every single hanger. And I'm serious, because that challenge is very serious. That explains again the color I'm wearing today, because I want you to be really mindful. You understand what happened the last 2 days. That's what we want to do. So go ahead, 5 pieces or more, and one, please, photograph, post below. Let's gather together to talk about it. And every day, we are meeting for more Image Impact Index.